With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A swimmer crosses a river of width d flowing with velocity v. While the swimmer keeps himself always at an angle of 120 degree with the river flow, on reaching the other end, he finds a drift of d by 2 in the direction of flow of river. The speed of swimmer with respect to the river you have to find out. So if you see, if I draw the diagram, let's say this is the river. And the width of the river is given, it is d. And the river is flowing with a velocity v in this direction, let's say. And the man starts to move in a direction making an angle of 120 degree with the river flow. So if I draw a diagram, like if you see, the man is keeping his velocity in this direction and river velocity is in this direction, and yes, it is vr vector that is having a magnitude of v, and this is velocity of the man with respect to the river, right? This angle is 120 degree. So if I draw a straight line perpendicular to the bank, then if you see, this angle is 90, right? This angle is 90. So this angle will be 120 minus 90, so it will be 30 degree, right? So if you see, this angle is 30 degrees, so you can break this VMR into component, right? So this component will be sine 30 and this component will be cos 30, right? So I will write this is VMR cos 30 and this is VMR sine 30. So sine 30 is like this, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So time to cross this river will depend only upon this perpendicular component that is along the river, like perpendicular to the river flow. If I see here, this component is x and this component is y. So the time to cross the river will only depends on the y component, that is root 3 by 2 VMR, right? So I will write Vy is equals to root 3 by 2. So the time to cross the river I will write T naught. It is equals to this. That is VMR. This is the time. Now if you see, it takes this much time to cross the river, and in this time it is said in the question the drift is this d by 2, right? So if you see here, drift, it will be equal to, I will write x is equals to vx into time t naught. Here the drift is d by 2 and the velocity in x direction, you can see it will be vmr by 2 minus vr. I will keep a mod sign here because we don't know what which one is more, vmr or vr, right? So I will put the value of vx here, and velocity of the river is given, it is v into t naught, right? Put the value of t naught from here, right? So it will be, if I write down, it is vmr by 2 minus v mod, it will be equals to d by 2 t naught, right? Put the value of t naught now. So it will be d by 2, it will be root 3 by 2 VMR by D. Right, so this D will get cancelled out and you will get root 3 by 4 VMR. Right, now you can open this mod once keeping the sign positive and then keeping the sign negative. So let us take this as positive. So now we'll solve it. So let us take this term is positive, then I will write VMR by 2 minus V is equals to root 3 by 4 VMR. Right, so from here I can write down this 2 by 4 VMR is equals to root 3 by 4 VMR is equals to V. So from here I can write down this VMR is equals to 4V by 2 minus root 3. So if you multiply here 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3, so you can apply here A plus B into A minus B formula. So if you do that, like we know that A square minus B square is equals to A minus B into A plus B. So if you do A square minus B square, it will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. So you will get 4, 2 plus root 3 times V. And in another case, we will take this term negative. So we are assuming that this is negative. Then again, if I solve it, I will write V minus VMR by 2 is equals to root 3 by 4 VMR. Right. In that case, I will write it is V is equals to plus 2 by 4 VMR. Right, so from here I can write down this VMR is equals to 4V by 2 plus root 3. So again we'll do the same thing, like multiply and divide 2 minus root 3, then again in denominator we'll get that 1 and I can write down this. So we can have two values, right? In one value the drift created will be in rightward direction, in the another value the drift created will be in the leftward direction. Now let's check the option here. So in the given option, C is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.